So here I have a nice scarf that I'm going to take a photo of. Nice fringes here that are really hard to normally do manually. But again, all I need to do, here I have the live view. Press my photo button, counts down, takes 2 photos, like that. One with light on, one with the light off. Then it completely, automatically cuts everything out, all these little fringes, everything. I don't need to do anything other than wait and talk to you. And there we go. It's completely cut out. See all those fringes, like that. Really, really nice. And then I just export it, call it scarf, like that. In a matter of seconds, it will be done exporting it, and then back in my library, I can really, really see a giant resolution of this photo. So once it's done with all the exporting, then I can really see that this is something that is worthy of going to my web shop. So let's see. There we go. And it will show up here. There you see. Now it's loading the full thing over the wireless, and then in a matter of seconds, there you go. Great colors. I can zoom in like this, move it around. Really, really nice. And all the fringes down there, completely cut out. Look at that. Super easy.